Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have another great unboxing from China. I bought all the inside the box from China. In the box I have sustainer of Festool. The price is much more affordable in China to buy. I am buying from Taobao, as you know from my other videos. If you are interested how to buy from Taobao, let me know about in the comments and I will help you. Because you can buy from Taobao everything, whatever you want, starting from very famous brands to Chinese brands. You can find quite quality items with very affordable price. I have a lot of videos, unboxings from buyings from China. I will put the link in the description of the playlist. You can go and watch my other videos if you are interested to do it. So let's start to see what we have inside. First thing, tough belt. As you know, this is very famous US brand. It made packets like these, belts and other some tools, sustainers and so on. Very sturdy one, very quality one. And the price for this is about $9 in the China, plus $1-2 for the shipping to my country. So I bought this one for when I do some electrician works. It nice, has a lot of pockets to put screwdrivers, pliers, other things, and you can hang here some other tools. And most good thing for me, this is regular belt clamping system, not as tough belt have for other such packets. It's very easy to put on your belt and take it out. Quality is really good. I have other things from top belts. I'm very happy with them, so recommend. Let's see other things. Go ahead, I will say that everything which I buy from Taobao concerning to such famous brand like a Festool, they are all original. There is no counterfeit items in Taobao, especially in known sellers from which I buy regularly. Made in Germany. As you can see, this is splinter guard for track saw guide rails. I one by 5,000 millimeters, so 5 meters long, to change on my track. And the price for this about $12 or $13. So you can see this is double side type. Maybe 2 times cheaper than in US or in Europe to buy. So cutting in your length, some instruction how to apply it on your guide rail. I'm saving money buying original quality things from China. This is sustainer. Just let me take it out from the box. You can see how tight and good they are packaging. This is 112mm version. Why I bought this? Because I have Knipex KSC from Festool, and when you put on plastic legs which come with the saw, the height of the tables of miter saw is the same as the height of the sustainer. So putting on both sides, it's like extra sport, and you can keep, of course, a lot of things inside of this. The price for this, as I remember, is about $35 for this sustainer. Inside I have some other things. I asked seller to put as tight, as compact as possible to save some money on shipping forwarder companies. This is sustainer smaller size, as you can see, S76. This is new version with this separated box. The price for this is about $13 or $15. Again, you can see that this very nice seller. I'm regularly buying from him. Puts everything inside and compact shipping. Here I have polishing compounds from 3M, but the price of them is not so cheap, so locally maybe you will find much cheaper or the same price. So just I take it to test. Go ahead and say this is not original pad for Festool. This is Chinese version for ETS EC150 Festool sander. I bought it as replacement for my sander to have in your box when you will need to replace it, because the price is very affordable, about $9. So I take it to test and try. This green one, some type of rubber, this black sturdy, and it comes with this bolt with washer. So I will test it and say how the alternative for original, because the price is 3-4 times cheaper than original one. Let's take out this sustainer. This is Capro, Japanese famous brand, 15 to 30 centimeters, 90-degree ruler. Let's see where it's made. No, there is not information. Is it made in Japan or in China? It's quite thick, about 2 millimeters thickness. Nice to have in your pocket. The price is about $3. So, and ruler again from the same Capro Japanese brand. 3-meter version. In my regular work, 3-meter is more than enough to work, and 90 millimeter with the thickness of the blade of the ruler. You can see auto brake, so it's brake and plus. Let's take it out. No, it doesn't want to go out. Just a moment. I will try. Ah, yes. Here is like this. You should open, and it will go out. This part is why so complicated packaging for ruler to take out? If you know easier way to take it out from the packaging, let me know in the comments. That's it. Let's see. Maybe written where is it made. No any information, but interesting. So the ruler in the by hand feeling, very nice, very soft on touch, and feels very nice. Plastic, all the plastic. This black one is a rubber, red one plastic. So let's see. Regular one, you can see the black is 15.25 every 10 5 centimeters here, because 5, 15, every 10 centimeters, starting but from 5 is black. It's nice thing to have, make it easy to work in work, to find numbers easier. On the back side you can see these big numbers here on horizontal, here in vertical way. So nice ruler for the price of $5. I'm happy with it. That's it for today. If you like my videos and it is interesting for you, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to make more videos. And have a nice day.